Hey everyone, Neil here. We're gonna do smelting. I just did recipes. We're gonna do smelting next. So, let's open up Eclipse. I'm gonna go into production. Let's see where we're at. I have to minimize some stuff. Okay. So, let's do this. Let's go to. I'm looking at my notes. Let's go to our crafting folder. We're going to create a new one called NG Smelting. Like so. And let's do a new method just like we did with, what do you call it? Recipes. We're going to call this public static void init smelting. Looks clean. So this is a lot more straightforward than the last one. We're gonna do down here. We're gonna do ng smelting dot init smelting. Save that, and we're going to come over here, and really what we want to do is add our well, we have a whole bunch of ores, right? Where are those? I'm trying to think of how it works in vanilla when you mine an ore, but I can't remember if it's like vanilla or a mod, but that doesn't matter because we're going to just do it this way. So we're going to do game registry dot add smelting, and we have three different things here. So the first thing we want to do is we want to return which one we want to do, and that's going to be copper ore. The output of that is going to be a new item stack, and that is going to be an ng items dot copper ingot. And at this point, the XP that returns, I'm just going to do 0, and I will cover that later. So we're going to import that. Now, really, what I'm going to do is pretty straightforward, right? So under ng blocks, we have all kinds of stuff. I know that I have bauxite in here. You're just going to have to forgive me on that one because it's going to come up later. We're going to copy that line, and we're going to repeat it for copper ore, manganese, nickel, tin, no, not topaz because that drops an item, vanadium, and zinc. So I'm going to go through and change each of these. Copper comes first. Manganese. Next is going to be nickel. And after that will be tin. adjust my mic. So we have 10. Next we have vanadium. After that we have zinc. Vanadium. And we're just going to take these declarations, we're going to move them over for localized names. Oh, I see what's going on here.
Let's take hijacks and just make it in the air.
I was wondering why they weren't showing up right. It's because I need to change
But let's make them fly.
ore to ingot. So I'm going to do that real quick. And that pretty much does it. We're going to go NG Comet Proxy. We have our smelting in there. Now let's make sure that when we use a regular furnace, because we're going to be adding other furnaces later on, that it comes out right. Single player, new world. We do not have a furnace. I'm going to change my game mode real fast. We're going to pull out a furnace. In that furnace, we are going to put a whole bunch of coal. And so let's start off with one of each. We're going to get our tab. We're going to find these. Oh. Alright, let's test this out. This should give us a zinc ingot. There we go. And a vanadium.
Nice, Jacob. That dude was
Tin.
He shot at me. Oh, there's only 3.
Manganese. Manganese. I don't know. Nickel. And copper. Awesome. Alright, so last thing we're going to do is everything is awesome.
Everything is cool when you're part of a team.
Everything is awesome when you're living a dream. Oh, shit. shit.
That's how you do a duet.
That's a duet right there. It's a fucking awful one, but we did it. We did it. All right, so NG blocks. Now what we want to do is we're going to do like I see in a lot of mods. We're going to copy nether in front of each of these. We're going to uppercase where we need to. I don't know the mod name, but I know that in a lot of cases what happens is you will cook the nether version of the block and it will come out as the vanilla version of the block. So we're going to do copper ore.
I hate this map.
And we're going to just copy and paste. Maybe. Maybe we can just do it this way.
One on B.
Oh, no. Back up. There, we got it. And rather than NG items, we're going to do NG blocks. We're just going to copy and paste them in there. There we go. Now let's fire it up and see what we got. We are going to embiggen. Hop into our world. And so now let's do this. I'm going to take one of these, and this, and this, and this, and this.
Wow, come on.
Now this should turn into a regular vanilla copper. I shouldn't say vanilla, right? It's just going to turn into a copper ore. But what we can do is then take it and turn it into these bars.
Doesn't everybody undertake just rage quit so we can
Get this one ready.
That's so much crap. Like, I went down and
And we wait and see.
they think that they should just move peacefully without not hurting anyone. That was kind of a great commentary for his YouTube video this time on how Call of Duty just sucks.
And we'll wait for it. Oh, man, this is just... Come on.
I hated it because of kicking his ass.
There we go. We don't have to worry about that guy anymore. So, we have all our ores. And of course, we place the ore in here. And then we'll pop out a copper ingot. Like so. So there you have it. There is smelting. As always, like, comment, subscribe. Love you guys lots. And I will see you in the next episode.